Snake Wranglers. Hope y'all enjoyed your ride on the Iron Rattler. Now give that restraint a little push up, unbuckle your seatbelt, head on out to your left. Don't forget any loose gear and whatnot. Have a great day at Six Flags.
Riders, don't forget to go check out Superman and Griffin Roller Coaster. Hey, to my guests down boarding, quickly find your seats, put all your stuff to the side, and find your seats quickly. Remember, seatbelts first, lap bar second, seatbelts first, lap bar second. Okay. It shakes, it rattles, so hold on to your saddles, sit back, try and relax, and enjoy your ride.